Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a human in Infinite Craft. Now for us to best this done, we are going to need a few things. Let's start with fire here. So we have fire and then wind, and it should give us a smoke. So let's put that there. And then we also need water plus fire in order for us to have a steam. Now once we have the steam, let's add some earth and we should get a mud. All right. All right, now that we got those two, we are going to proceed with the other one. So we have wind and then earth. So we got dust. And then if we add more earth, we should get a planet. So this time, let's go ahead and add some smoke. All right, now that we are getting that one, let's go ahead and use the smoke right here and let's add a water and we should get a fog. Now that we are getting fog, we are going to use the fog and the planet. Combine that, we got Venus. And then if we are going to add mud, we should get Adam. Now Adam plus a Venus, we should get Eve. So if we add Adam to Eve, we get human. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get human in Infinite Craft.